What is going on, YouTube? We're back with another video. You know, I'm 6Speed Zay. Cars getting wrapped, so make sure I go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. 6Speed Ultimate, but I want to just show y'all this gem that's behind me, and it is a ZR1, which is crazy. ZR1 carbon ceramic brakes, of course 6-speed. It's crazy. It's a ZR1 over there, but this is crazy. All right, so this is what we're dealing with right now. I went up there and they told me that it makes more sense just to park inside, so we're gonna park inside because I'm not paying $43 when it's only $52 in here. You feel me? So we're just gonna park inside. I don't know where we left off, but they tried to charge me $95 to park my car inside the show. So as you see, we out here now. They just gonna
small tires. You guys should have small tires.
So I've never been to one of these meets, so we gonna just look around. There's some heat in here. Z06, regular SS, ZL1 1LE. That's hard. Another 1LE. No, I'm sorry. ZL1. CTSV. Urus. Gonna send this to my girlfriend. Make her mad. So we got this. Z06 C8. Another ZO. Oh, this is ZR1. I didn't recognize that. That's a ZR1, y'all. It's crazy. And then we got all the Mustangs over there. Another car right there. Audi R8 on a tire. It's probably twin turbo. Let's see if it's twin turbo, y'all. See if it's twin turbo. You see the twin skis? Do you see the twin skis? It's twin turbo. It's pretty cool. Got some Shelby trucks. It's pretty nice. I know, guys, y'all are here for the maximum content, but this ain't. I mean, ultimate content. I don't drive a maximum, I drive ultimate. But I'm here for the big bodies. Big body. This is nice. I actually kind of like the color on this.
Pull all the way through the gate onto the track.
Then we got one of my dream cars right here. I don't know how well y'all can hear me though. The dream car right here, one of them. Straight past this. This is kind of cool. Very clean. And GTR. This is really different right here. The hood on this, actually, don't hate it. Something different. You don't see that every day.
All right, here we go. Big one ride with it. Box body. Wheels. Another tire race. Gonna take out her cone, rip the chutes.
This is a CRV that's been K-swapped and turboed. What do y'all know about that? And it's all different colors. Must be nice.
Wow, dude, stop. Is that 6-speed Zay? Hey, twin turbo, man.
Twin?
Yeah, right here.
Those are horns, bro. That's crazy.
All right. Black 13 in the right lane. Red box body in the left. Nitrous first turbo, the classic matchup. Got both sides getting lined up here. All right, guys, here we go. Get locked in. Rainbow's not giving up.